First time po si Quintin, kasama po namin sa work. Dramatic acting?
Hindi.
Ang ganda. Sira yung electric. Anong electric pan yan? Sira naman yan. Bigyan lang ang bagong electric po.
Are you okay?
Yes, of course. Yeah, tama ka naman, no?
Do you love mommy?
No, you're not.
Ako lang, do you love me?
Yes.
Wow.
Of course.
Ayan, si Quintin. Hi, guys!
Hello.
Ayan, para maaliw po siya. First time po si Quintin, kasama po namin sa work. Dramatic acting?
Hindi.
Kaya mag-acting tayo ng good boy. Paano yung good boy?
No! Ako!
Ano yan? Ano yung acting yan?
Ayoko!
Ano yan?
No!
Ba't ka nakasmile?
Hindi.
Hindi nahihilo ko. Huwag kang galaw ng galaw.
Sige.
Sige. Ayaw ka ba mag-coffee?
What?
Are you allowed to drink coffee?
No.
You're not allowed? It's raining cats and dogs.
What?
It's raining cats and dogs. What's so funny? What's so funny? Oh, the car in front of us is moving. Should please stop moving around, Panjin? Are you trying to wake up yourself?
Yes, boss, madam.
Are you sleepy?
No, my darling.
Oh, you're not sleepy, are you sure?
Yes.
Are you going to be mom's partner today?
No way, dahil ka naman din.
No, the truth.
No way.
Di ba nag-usap tayo? You will have mom today?
No!
Sige, so iiwan na lang kita dito sa kotse.
Apo.
Hindi ka nabababa?
Hindi.
Sure ka?
Apo.
Okay po.
Sama ko.
Okay, sama siya. Di ba you want to work also?
No.
Paano yan? Para ka na namang sirang electric fan. Tino paano? Paano sirang electric fan? Yan, sirang electric fan yan, no? Parang sirang electric. Ang galing, sirang electric fan, no? Isa pang, sirang electric fan. Oh, gano'n, sira yung electric fan. Alisin natin yung electric fan mo. Sira yung electric. Anong electric pan yan? Sira naman yan. Bigyan lang ang bagong electric po. Anak ko, sira, anak na ito. Pati ikaw natatawa ka sa mga ginagawa mo eh, na.
Yeah.
Sama niyo sa kanya. Oo, ka na magsabi.
Hello!
Ate Candy, kamusta ang mom life so far? Alam natin, sa social media naman, kita-kita.
Yeah, of course, right?
It's a fun journey, diba? You were talking about kanina, I heard a lot of talks kanina na it's so hard to be our
children eat vegetables, but with Purple Hearts, di ba? It's very, very easy kasi you get to make them eat vegetables. At the same time, with only the Purple Hearts, meron na silang multivitamins in their bodies. Diba? And you know what I like about this? Kasi they use pala stevia.
Yes.
They use stevia. And with Quentin kasi, Quentin has ADHD and autism. O sige, go na. Kasi ay, naisip naman yun na. Ang galing-galing. Nahiya ka ba?
Nahiya daw siya.
Nahiya siya. What's good is because of ADHD and autism, bawal sa kanilang sugar. It's fun daw. It's fun here. And because Purple Hearts use stevia, so it's very good. Diba? It's good for children with autism or under the spectrum.
And again, kamusta pala si Candy when it comes to taking Purple Hearts?
Ay, type na type niya.
Are you okay?
Yes, of course. Yeah, tama naman, no?
Do you love mommy?
No, you're not.
Ako lang, do you love me?
Yes.
Wow.
Of course.
And Purple Hearts?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Mas po sa team.
Because it's chewable, it's very easy for them, di ba?
Yes, yes. Yeah, of course.
Para ako may echo dito eh. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Kasi kanina pa siya naghihintay, excited na siya.
Yeah, of course.
So it's nice to know that Mommy Candy actually supports Purple Hearts and she loves all the benefits that we can get from Purple Hearts. And not only for Candy, but also for Mommy Candy. What do you guys say to Mommy Candy?
I know, so ginagawa ko kasi.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Ako.
Ano, lahat na lang. Lahat ina-agreehan niya.
Ako.
Sabi nga nila, everything is done by example. Diba? Everything you do, parang sumunod yung bata is by example. Gusto mo naman aware?
Alright, thank you so much, Mommy Candy. How about Candy? Do you have any message before we let you go?
Agad-agad.
Giselle, Kuya is calling you. It's her birthday, Candy.
Yeah, friends. Of course. So, masarap yan. Yes, a pity Yes, a pity ka sa akin. Oh, yeah, of course, right? Friends, talking about friends. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, really. Why?
Thank you so much, Rizal. Again, happy birthday. Canteen, thank you so much. Thank you, Mommy Candy. Maraming salamat. Say bye to this friend.
Tatakong mayor yan.
Ayan, sige. Doon mo lang si Candy.